Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander. The oil drain plug and oil filter have open access underneath the vehicle. You won't need any special tools to access either component, and there are no panels to take off. The high beam and headlight are accessible by simply reaching behind the front housing. While you do have to take off one cover to access either bulb, the remainder of these repairs won't require much effort. The spare tire and jack kit are easily accessible under the trunk lining. Lift the lining, and you can quickly pull out any of these components. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. In order to remove the battery, you must take off the front engine panel as well as the air intake vent. Doing this will require the use of extra tools you may not have readily available. The engine air filter is inside a cramped housing in the engine bay. You must loosen the hose clamp on the housing to give yourself extra wiggle room as you remove the front housing cover. To access the front turn signal light, you must take off the upper front panel. The panel lifts off easily once you remove the fasteners, but this is an added step. Overall, despite a few tricky repairs, the 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander is a relatively easy vehicle to maintain for even the novice vehicle owner.